Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So in my previous vlog I have shown you like we are staying in Hotel Hilton, which is in Ville Parle near airport. So I have already shown you the room tour and all. So today I'm going to show you little bit of my washroom tour, and also one restaurant, one lounge was left for the tour. So I'm going to show you that. So this is my outfit for the day, all dressed up in black attire, and this is my washroom, really nice and aesthetic. I love the mirrors around all the four sides. So today we are heading to the temple, a very famous temple in Mumbai, Siddhivinayak. So we are heading there. So this is the lobby area of our hotel, a beautiful lobby, and on the left hand side this is the restaurant. The restaurant area where the buffets also happen, the breakfast buffet, lunch and dinner buffet, and it's also an Italian restaurant, a nice and cozy place. So next to their restaurant is their famous bakery, a beautiful and cozy bakery. They have these beautiful cakes on display. Cakes and other bakery items are there. It's a very beautiful and cozy bakery just right next to their restaurant area. And there is this comfortable sitting here. So we took a cab and we are heading to Siddhivinayak temple, and on our way I'll show you this beautiful sea link view. The view is breathtaking, both the sides there is an ocean, and we are going through this sea link area. The bridge is really massive and beautiful, and the drive is so amazing here. So guys, this is one of the poshest locality in Mumbai. Marine Drive. So on the right hand side there is a beach, on the left hand side you will find these beautiful properties, the beautiful buildings, housing buildings and restaurants, and this is one of the posh localities in Mumbai, and the drive is really amazing. So on the right hand side you can see Haji Ali Dargah. It is built on the sea area, and on the left hand side you can see this beautiful buildings, and where I'm focusing, this is the Ambani's mansion and Delia Tower. This is Raymond building, which belongs to Raymond. So the drive was really amazing. We got to see so many nice buildings of well-known people, tycoons and famous celebrities. So we are going to enter this coastal tunnel. So this underwater tunnel is about 9.7 kilometers underwater, starting from Ghatkopar to Parel via Wadala. and it's known as the Mumbai's undersea coastal tunnel. So it was so nice and beautiful, the tunnel. It looks like we have come in Dubai. It gives you the feel of Dubai Marina area where the Atlantis Hotel is there. It was very nice and beautiful. It's made under the ocean, underwater tunnel. So it's very nice undersea tunnel, and because of that you can also avoid the Mumbai traffic. So now we are going to reach our hotel. So first we have checked in hotel which is on the Marine Drive, and the name of our hotel is Intercontinental. It's on the Marine Drive. So the view from this hotel is really amazing. Opposite you can see the whole Marine Drive area, and the beach is visible from our room exactly. Yes. So this is their lobby area. They have beautiful flower decor. The lobby and front desk area is very nice. So we took a walk near our hotel after keeping our luggage there, because we have to go to Siddhivinayak. So first we thought we had to change our hotel. So first we thought we'll drop our luggage here and then we'll head to this place, beautiful temple Siddhivinayak. So we were very hungry. So first we had pav bhaji and all, and now we are going to the temple. So we bought prasad and we bought laddus. This is the outside of the temple area where you can purchase beautiful things, the malas and all, and also the prasad. There are beautiful stalls outside the area, and also you can purchase tickets. You can go without tickets also. There is a long queue for that, and from here you can purchase there is a counter outside the temples. From here you can purchase your tickets for VIP darshan, for normal darshan. So we went inside and we got a very nice VIP darshan here. We were actually lucky that we got inside this queue and we saw the beautiful darshan of Ganpati Bappa. So guys, stay tuned and watch beautiful darshan of Ganpati Bappa. I'll show you everything inside the temple. है ना पीछे So guys, now we are done we had a very nice darshan at Siddhivinayak temple, and now we are heading to Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, which is located at Kolaba. We took a taxi and we reached here, and we are going to have their high tea. That's a very beautiful experience with a view of Gateway of India. So they organize this beautiful high tea. The timings are from 2:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. So that's their timing for high tea. And where there is a buffet for high tea, unlimited coffee, tea, and their unlimited buffet. They have their bakery items, the sandwich items, and many things are there. I'm gonna show you there inside. So we have reached outside the Taj Hotel. Now we are going to enter the hotel. So this is their lobby area, the massive lobby area, and we are going to enter the hotel. So this is the gallery area. Just see the displays on both the sides. The beautiful displays of Indian jewelry from Jaipur and from all Rajas and Maharajas. The beautiful paintings of old artists and all. So there is this beautiful Golden Dragon restaurant. This is the look of their Golden Dragon restaurant, which is on the ground floor of Taj Mahal Palace. A very beautiful restaurant with a view outside. This is their private dining area, and this is the view of Gateway of India outside, and also the beach. So you'll get to see so many Bollywood celebrities, the old 80s and 60s Bollywood celebrities photos, which is over here, and also the Hollywood celebrities on the walls. So as you take a walk from this gallery, both the sides you'll find these beautiful showrooms of these premium brands. These jewelries are on display. The Rolex showroom is there. So we are in the elevator going to the Sea Lounge. And guys, I must tell you, the hotel is really nice and aesthetic. Must visit whenever you are in Mumbai. And this experience is really nice. So this is their stair area, and it's on the first floor, the Sea Lounge. And this is the view of the hotel. The architecture is really nice and amazing. And this is 100-year plus hotel, and they have maintained it so well. So they had a waiting for almost 15-20 minutes. So by the time I wanted to explore the hotel, so these are all the rooms upstairs. This is the view of the rooms, and these are all the walls and all. So we are heading to the washroom, and on the way there was this gallery with beautiful architecture and beautiful interiors on both the walls. There are paintings and beautiful decor. So I was taking a walk towards the washroom and also enjoying these views. There's another big lobby area, and from here upstairs there are these rooms. So you must have seen in the movies and all these kind of rooms where Kim Kardashian and Khloe Kardashian also came last month, and they stayed here for the Ambani's wedding. And look at the views here. So finally we got a seat here at the Sea Lounge. We did not get our seat next to the window, but we told them, it was on waiting, we told them we want to sit there only. And there is a beautiful live pianist over here, so live music also going on, which was really nice and amazing. So this is a very different experience, guys. You should definitely try their high tea. These are the variety of cakes over here on the display. The coffee is there. Unlimited coffee and tea you can have. Different desserts, assorted sandwiches. And they have a separate live chart counter here. So you'll get everything from the chart items on your table delivered. The juices are there, fresh juices, coffee, cold coffee. Variety of desserts again here. The pizzas are there, sandwiches. So actually we did not had our lunch. We came here and we actually filled our tummy here only. There were pakoras, there were assorted sandwiches, there were pizzas, everything was there. So they had these beautiful cakes, you can cut from them. So my son had a really nice time here. He got these variety of cakes and pastries. They had this beautiful cheesecake, which was really delicious. So guys, let me tell you more about this high tea. Like there are different packages here for per head. So 3,000 per head they charge for high tea, where they serve unlimited tea, coffee along with the buffet area, unlimited buffet, and another is and another package is their Maharaja package. In that, I think they charge around 4,500 per head, and there they serve unlimited wine, sparkling wine. So you can buy either of them. So I didn't wanted to we bought one Maharaja package where they were serving unlimited sparkling wine, and one we bought the normal, the regular one where they serve tea and coffee. So it was really nice. They were serving best of the sparkling wine. And finally, we got the seat which we wanted next to the window, and the view of Gateway of India was really amazing. And there were these tourists standing downstairs, and the view was really amazing. We had a great time here. So finally, we took a takeaway coffee and we came down at the lobby area, and over here the live music was going on, and there is a swimming pool right there. So we sat here for around half an hour to 1 hour. The view was really nice and amazing. This property is really nice, guys. Whenever you visit here, you should definitely come here. So guys, this was the Hotel Taj Mahal Palace. Is one of the vintage properties in India, built in 1900s, 1903, and this was one of the best properties made in 1903, the first five-star hotel. And the vintage property, still they are maintaining it so well. and and this is the same hotel where Mumbai attack happened, 26/11. But now everything seems to be normal. They have rebuilt the hotel, and it's very nice, surreal. And in the night, it looks so calm and peaceful. The live music was going on. We enjoyed the live music here. We sat here for almost an hour, and then we went back to our hotel, which is nearby, Hotel Intercontinental. It's on the Marine Drive, and the Hotel Taj Palace is in Kolaba. So guys, stay tuned for my next vlog. So I'm gonna show you Hotel Intercontinental, and tomorrow we are going to see the famous Antilia Tower, and also Geo World Plaza Mall, Geo Convention Center. So my next vlog is gonna be even more interesting. So stay tuned, guys, for my next vlog. And also please like and subscribe my vlog if you like it, and do share and comment. Thank you. स्टार्ट हो गया, मैं आ रही हूँ.